Go. Video product review of the original Slinky walking spring toy, the metal Slinky, the fidget toy, the party favors and gifts toy by Just Play. Visit the Slinky brand store. What the heck did I buy this for? I thought that I bought two of these. I guess not. I guess I only bought one. How do I open this thing up? Oh, they really seal this. They don't want you to touch this thing. Okay. Make sure you do a video, what am I saying? I don't even know what I'm talking about. Do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. There'll be an affiliate link in the video description if you want to order this thing, or if you want to click on the PayPal thing to donate to my channel. So they put these little things on the end so it doesn't go springing all over the place. You don't want to have a big springer, do we, guys? I haven't played with one of these things since I was a kid. This is the original Slinky, and yeah, it's firm. What the heck did I buy this for? Why does an adult buy a Slinky? I'll tell you why. And I don't know that I'm going to use it. It only costs, what, $3? That's cheap. That's really inexpensive. So, yeah, I didn't buy this to play. But I will say, when I was a kid, I probably thought this was really cool. As an adult, this is very cool. It's Slinky. Yeah, that's really fun. So why do you buy this thing? I don't know if I'm going to use this, but I might. What I bought this for is I have got, if you check out my channel, I just posted a whole bunch of videos about my bird feeders that I bought, and the birds are going crazy. They love the bird seed. I've got like probably 50 birds within a half an hour all day long, and it's just wild. Lots of bird poop and lots of crushed shells everywhere. And I've got, you guessed it, the squirrel. The squirrel that hops over the tree, climbs up the tree, jumps onto the roof, goes over to the balcony, and hangs upside down from the bird feeder trying to eat the bird seed. And it's annoying, and I know I could put my nuts out on the, I could put my beautifully roasted nuts out in the area, and the squirrel might eat them, but he might also bring a bunch of other squirrels, and next thing you know, I'm going to have lots of squirrels eating my nuts, and I don't want that. I don't want the squirrel over here. There's more than enough for the squirrel to eat. So what you're supposed to do, I'm going to try it, see if it works, and you can do this with, you know, this really springs. This is a springer, right, ladies? This is a humongous springer. So what you're supposed to do is you go over, and you could do this with one, but you don't need to use just the whole thing. You go and maybe you hang it over here, cut this thing, and then you glue this to the bottom of your bird feeder. And so let's do this. So if you only have that much, that's fine. If the bird tries to jump from the bottom to get onto this thing, it's going to get a springer, and it's not going to be able to get onto the bird feeder. So this is a cheap thing, a cheap way to try it. Get some contact cement or something, hang it around the bottom of your bird feeder, or maybe glue it like this. The squirrel's going to try to hook onto it, and this isn't going to hurt the squirrel. It's not going to bother the squirrel. It's just not going to have any place to grab onto. So, and if you don't want to do that, if you decide, yeah, I don't really want to do that, I don't care if they eat my nuts, then for $3, you get this Slinky, and boy, it's a lot of fun until you put it in the drawer and you never play with it again. And then when you're gone, somebody says, what the heck did this guy have a Slinky for? And they start playing with it. Maybe they'll put it on their bird feeder. So, I don't know what else to say. It's a kind of cool thing. It's solid, it's secure. It's definitely going to work on a bird feeder. Or you can just take this to the work meeting. Do this when you're on your Zoom meeting for your office, and they say, so Joe, are you doing your spreadsheets? Are you working hard from home? And you pull out your Slinky and you start doing this, and they'll go, oh boy, we really need to get rid of this person. Yeah, let them go on state and federal checks, and we'll just fire Mr. Slinky. I think that's it. That's why I bought it, for a bird feeder, to try to stop the squirrel from eating my bird seed. And if you're okay with the squirrel eating the bird seed, that's fine. I'm sure when I do this, it's going to jump down off the balcony and go right over on the ground and start eating all the broken shells and the seeds that are down there. So you really cannot get rid of, you can't get rid of squirrels, just like you can't get rid of cockroaches, and you can't get rid of mice and rats and raccoons and skunks and possums. They are going to be here billions of years after the world is over. So buy your Slinky. If nothing else, it will entertain you for 30 seconds. For $3, it's like a penny a minute, or I don't know what the heck I'm talking about. I failed math, so how would I know a second a minute, $3 into double it, square the root, divide it by 69 and add minus 68, add 1, and you've got 69 plus 2 is 70 something. That's my video review of the original Slinky. And I'm going to end it by doing this, because I think that's what everybody did when they were a kid. You always did this. You were always really cool. And everybody said, oh my gosh, this guy's totally awesome and ace and grew they. There you go.